Hello and welcome to March's edition of the Garden Diary from Teasses. What an interesting month we've had weather-wise. A really cold start, a warm, mild middle, and returning back to normal temperatures near the end of the month. Glad to see that we've got finally some spring colour in the garden. These daffodils behind me really brighten up the place. But still, we've got lots of snowdrops out. That cold, snowy weather really preserved them late into March, and they're only just starting to go over now. We have decided to delay the opening of our garden to Wednesday the 5th of May, when the garden will do its usual Wednesday opening from 10 AM to 4 PM, right up this year until the end of October. So plenty of time for you to come and visit us and make repeat trips to see the changing season. This is the perfect time to get on with pricking out your seedlings, which the annuals that we may have sown in February, they've had enough time to grow. The warmer days are helping them come on, and in this case I'm going to show you how to prick out a tray of Antirrhinum. This is Antirrhinum Tetra Mix, which we'll be putting into our cut flower beds. You can see that we have got quite a little cluster here from where the sowing hasn't quite been up to scratch. I can say that because it was me who did it. On our little seedlings we have two large simple leaves. These are the cotyledons, the seed leaves, and we've also got the emergence of two true leaves and the growing tip. So this is the ideal time to do that before the roots are too long to handle and get easily disrupted and snapped. So the plant's still in a very immature stage and very easy to pot up. So I'm using the multi-purpose mixture that we use. It's got a little bit of perlite mixed through it, and these clean 9cm pots. Really straightforward. I'm just filling my pot with the compost mix, slightly over full, and tap down. That knocks any air out of it. And you just want to have a little ridge so that when you're watering, the pot doesn't overflow. And quite simply, I'm just using my fingers and I'm going below the seedlings and just pulling them out, making sure that I've still got soil, a little soil root ball. Firm them in, another wee tap, and it's as simple as that. And of course, once you've potted up pricked out your seedlings, make sure you give them a really good drink. Don't water from above. If you do that, you'll crush the little seedling, you'll maybe knock it out of the soil. So put it in a tray in a warm greenhouse or a warm room overnight to let them soak up. And you need to do that for the first couple of waterings until they get roots properly established.